a brand new cutting die ready for mistletoes and wishes. So it is a 4-inch by 3-inch greeting, just a really substantial size. And it says mistletoe kisses and Christmas wishes. And I think it's just a wonderful sentiment for the Christmas season. On the back, there is a project, and I'm certainly going to show you some others. This is a very intricate cutting die, as you can see, and you're going to need to shim it with cardstock underneath your platform as you put the sandwich together. So if that doesn't make any sense to you, it has to do with using a die cutting machine, and which of course is what you need with any of the cutting dies. So let me give you some examples of this one. Now you can put it all together because it comes as one piece out of white, as was done right here. Then you can also do it again, and if you can look right here, you'll see that this mistletoe has a red bow, and you can die cut it out of red and add that. Now we added some red jeweled dazzles for the holly, the mistletoe berries, but you can do that out of red paper also. So as I said, this is a 5 by 6.5 inch card. It makes a very large statement. And let me show it to you out of specialty paper. Wow, you get some shimmer and shine. This is out of the triple finish paper. And you can see this again was done in one color, all with the red, just really pretty. And some dazzles were added on the inside. Now you can separate this greeting, just simply cut it apart. In fact, let me bring it back out of the white, and you can see that you just trim right there. And right there, that's the only places you need to cut. And you can have mistletoe kisses and Christmas wishes. You can spread it apart. Again, this little bow was done a second time out of a lightly patterned paper, so works really well. Another thing you can do is take the Christmas wishes, put that on the front of your card, put the mistletoe kisses on the inside, trim off the ampersand for the and you can have it say something a little differently. So it just works beautifully. Now, this was done in the hammered gold paper. You can also use one of our favorites, which is the finely brushed adhesive sheets. Now, these are 9 by 12 sheets. There are 6 of them in the set: rose gold, pewter, blue, teal, red, and purple. And they're self-adhesive. So it's really great because as you run it through your die cutting machine, you can just attach it easily because they're self-adhesive. So we do wish you mistletoe kisses with our Christmas wishes for a wonderful holiday season.